made me a makeshift stand. Let's check this out. Let's check it out. All right. So let's take a look at this. Now I'm trying to do this in the camera. Here we go. Oop, right there. So it doesn't look too bad. But you see it's dirty here, dirty. All the butterflies are working. And then here's the floats. They do not look bad at all. So we're just going to clean up a little bit and try to clean up the mess and make sure all the jets work. And here is diaphragm. They look pretty good. The needle. We'll clean this up with a cloth, and I won't get any cleaner on these. Here we go. Here's another one. So overall, looks pretty good. Not too bad. See, this one has a little bit of grease on it, which I'll get something. Take that off. And the bowls for the carburetor. Oops. Still has the gaskets on it. The gasket's still good. I'll just clean up the bowls a little bit, and we'll see how that goes. Always be gentle with the gaskets. That way you can reuse them. There we go. Pretty nice. And this bowl looks fairly good. Fairly clean. Another one with the gasket on it. You know, this is my first motorcycle I'm actually ever restoring, which it's been pretty fun. Only had it for a few months, but I find that I like this. This is pretty relaxing. Instead of the everyday, day-to-day chief engineer bull crap, I can come home to my little shop in the back and relax, take my mind off of work, you know. No big deal. It looks pretty good. The other gasket. And the other bowl. I keep thinking the thing is over here, but it's over here. So yeah, here we go. So anyways, if anybody has any ideas or any thoughts on the KZ1000p, I have an 02 model. I am doing my best to get it going. I did get it to fire off. Oh yeah, look, that has some stuff in there. I don't know if you can see that. Old toothbrush, hey, it comes in handy. Even vibrates. Anyways, so we got some crud. Oh, yep, it's come out. Look at that. Looks a lot better. Gotta make sure these things are clean. Give a shout out to my son. What's up, Julian? I know you're gonna watch this. Say what's that? My brother. What's up, Kevin? Our buddy LeBlanc. Anybody that watches it. My sister. What's up, everybody? Watching old Chief Engineer Handy Manny work on a carburetor. One man with one desire: to fix this damn carburetor by the end of the month. Maybe today. Who knows? Will he succeed? That would be a pretty good movie. Ooh. Oh no. Oh, like this thing is stuck. Damn. Nope. It is frozen on there, and I do not want to. There we go. Always be careful with what you fix. Hey, if you think you can do it, do it. Don't ever think you can't do something. Like I said, my first bike. Had one when I was like 9. Old Honda. I think it was a dual sport. Off-road, on-road. But yeah, it wasn't bad. Alright, we're going to check these jets out now. Let's see. All the vacuum ports are sealed because I have a gravity-fed tank. I'm not using vacuum to feed the fuel. And I'm hoping that this is going to work. Anyways, what's up everybody? If you're just now getting in, this is a carburetor, trying to work on it. Alright, stand by. I got some stuff in my eye. Be back. Alright, I'm back. I had to go get some safety glasses. Folks, always wear safety glasses because you might get that stuff in your eye. You gotta go boom, safety first. Yeah. Don't be like me and not wear safety glasses. Now let's try this again. Alright, let's see what we got here. Make sure it's ventilated. Alright, I'm back again. My storage on my camera was full. Now, you don't want to scratch anything, so just clean it lightly. That's all you want to do. Get all the dirt and the grime out. That's what you want to do. What's up, guys? So I got the carburetor back together. Lost my introduction video. I was working on the carburetor, so let me show you what it looks like, because I got it back together. So there we go. And I'm going to try to start it tomorrow again. Keep looking over there. Anyways, guys, there you go. Lost a couple of videos. My phone storage kept saying full. Had to erase some stuff. But leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Any ideas, any suggestions. Anyway, it's just a project of mine I want to get running hopefully soon. And what's up, everybody? To my bro, sis, everybody I know. What's up? There's the bike. And I will see you again.